having a gap in your garage door seal, like you see here, is bad news. That's an easy way for mice to get into your garage, especially when the temperatures start dropping. So what we're going to do in this video is show you how to replace that seal. It is a very simple project, and it will ensure that no mice are getting into your garage. So the very first step is to open up the garage door. And as you can see at the bottom of the door, there's a track. This is where we slide the seal in and out. So we take the existing seal and we pull it through the track, like so. Simple enough. Next, we take the new seal, we curl it like so, and we slide it into the track. Now it's just a matter of pulling the seal all the way to the end, making sure that it covers the entire door. If you have any excess seal like we have here, you can cut it, or better yet, fold it and stuff it into the seal like so. And there you go, the job is done, and it only took us a few minutes. Now when we shut the garage door, as you can see, there is no gap. The seal is doing its job. If you want to buy a seal like this for your garage door, check out the link in the description below. So go check out your seal, see if it's in good shape. If it needs to be replaced, go ahead and do it. It's a very simple job you can do yourself. Good luck.